welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And by now, y'all should know what we're going to do in this video, right? It's the how to style. So in this video, I'm going to put together some pieces to match the 2023 Nike Dunk Low Valentine's Day. And really doesn't scream Valentine's Day to me. A1 quality though, guys, but should have had a little more pink, definitely some red. But today we're dealing with some burgundy and some pink hues. Arm in there tight Jordan 1 white look. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. Usually I start with essentials, right? We may see some essentials in this video, but we're going to start with something else. The Martha Stewart Anti-Social Social Club collab. And I really like this match because you got that pink writing, Martha Stewart handwriting. Nothing screams Valentine's Day like pink. Then you have Martha Stewart, a strong female, eating an oyster. The oyster's glittered up. Super dope. Perfect match. In the back, you got the Anti-Social Club logo and that like stealth look to match the hoodie. But the front is where we focus on. That pink is a perfect match. Good news about this hoodie, it is not expensive. StockX has this hoodie for about $70, $80, depending on size. That's close to retail, if not under, but perfect match out the gate. Changing brands but staying female is the Little Kim Photo Supreme tee. Now this photo is a little bit explicit, you know what I mean? But that's how Little Kim was. And it screams Valentine's Day at me too. You have to Supreme, whatever she wrote under here. And in the back is the quotable of one of her best verses in the back of the shirt. But the shirt is that nice pink. No, it's not the pink inside the sneaker. But with the burgundy and the light pink mix, you fall somewhere on this dark pink here. And I really, really like the match. Again, about retail, if not a little lower. I promise y'all, this is not a female photo t-shirt how to style. But this Kith for Aaliyah t-shirt is another perfect match, guys. So the back has the nice, beautiful picture of Aaliyah in the pink hues with the light pink on top of the photo. Super dope. The front has Kith and that burgundy, the dark reddish look that you also get in the sneaker. And again, about retail on StockX and Go, guys. So it's a steal. It's Kith. It's made in Peru. So you already know what the material hitting for. And it's just a perfect blend, guys. Perfect. Going back to Supreme, as you see the front, you get that burgundy maroon color. That's the color in the sneaker. Just says Supreme little on their front right there. But the back, you get the Greta tee. So it's a nice gremlin with some lipstick on. Screams Valentine's Day, guys. But the match is also perfect once you put it next to them Nike Dunk Low Valentine's Day. Dope match. And again, under retail. This probably should have been the under retail how to style. I mean, this shirt is as low as $40 right now on third party, guys. But super dope. Got Greta in a nice cheetah print outfit. Yo, you like what you like, man. And I always tell you, when you think of blue or you think of pink, you think of para. And this shirt does not disappoint. The pink is the pink in the Nike swoosh, that pink hue. And then you just get a little bit of burgundy from the guitar or the banjo, whatever that person's playing, but it's a dead-on match. This shirt here is about $88 in clothing. Perfect match, man. When you think of pink, you gotta think of Para, guys. Gotta think of Para, guys. This nice all-white hoodie matches that sneaker perfect. You got the white, and then you got the burgundy. I think the R is burgundy. No, the A is the burgundy inside the sneaker. And then the other colors is just, you know, it is what it is. But the hoodie is dope. This hoodie's about $115. And it is a perfect match to them Valentine's Day joints, man. And I did say we was going to do some essentials, right? I'm not really sold on this match, but it's the Essentials Coral colorway. Now, it's a funny pink to orange. I'm really not sold, guys, but I put it together and I can show you how it would match. Not together, but if you decide to just do one piece with something else, it'll blend. So this right here is the sweatshirt, crew neck. So you got a new logo right there, Essentials Fair Guard. You see the match, man. It's definitely a soft pink in the pink family. But I like the match a little bit, guys. But yeah, you can still get this in clothing that has a sync. Just go to their website and it should pop up at the top. If not, hit me in the comment section below. I'll give you guys the code down there. But they got a stupid sale on Essentials, so I think it's worth a try on the most popular sweatsuit in the last year and a half. These are the sweats here, and like I said, I think you should do them separate, not together, to make this match actually work. But yeah, I think either or, just not together, guys. Next piece comes from the Man Them Drake OVO look, terry cloth polo shirt. This pink does matches the swoosh. It does look a little lighter, but it matches it perfect. Got the OVO bird right there. Terry cloth look, just like a towel out the pool. Retail, I think, was $88 on this, and it's still on the OVO store website. They actually have a warehouse sale right now also. Mike can steal this, man, but I really like this look. This screams Valentine's Day. This is actually a dope Valentine's Day outfit, man, with those Valentine's Day dunk lows. If you check out my last How to Style, I think it was on the plaid Nike dunk lows. I do a lot of these, guys. Go in the archives, get right, find some great pieces to match. But I went through my closet and I found old polo rugby shirts. Rugby back in the days was polo staple. They kind of went off of the rugby, but this rugby right here, I like the match. Yeah, it has yellow, but you got the white collar, the cream collar, I should say, sail collar to match the overall sneaker. And then you do have some pink in it. Far as the burgundy in the sneaker, if you look at the logo of the rugby, there goes some burgundy right there. So it's a play. The yellow is off, but I think you could kind of find a way to mix the pink with the yellow somehow with a fitted hat. It would definitely match. And this piece right here is not the hypest of pieces, but it's definitely culture. Sneaker culture, streetwear culture, TV culture. This is the Hillman College hoodie. Hillman is not a real college. It's a TV college. The Different World, made by the Cosbys. Super dope. This burgundy and the burgundy on that Nike Dunk Low is a match made in heaven. You could get this hoodie. Type in HBCU hoodies. This will pop up. In this color and a white color with the burgundy in it. It doesn't have no pink at all, but the burgundy match is perfect. And I think it was like under $50. Hats. Far strap back, I like both of these. The Supreme box logo metallic pink joint is a dead-on match. It matches that swoosh perfect. Plus it gives it some shining, shimmery look with the metallic look. Dope. Under $70, guys. But this Para hat here, I like the look because it's like a mix of that pink with that burgundy. You get like this raspberry, dark pink, purple look. blending in with that burgundy. This one also under $50. But far as regular fitteds, I like this Staples hat, man. Y'all already know what Staples is, and when you talk about a Nike Dunk, whether SB or a regular one, you think of the Staple Pigeon. I love this pigeon hat for that match alone. You got a New York City pigeon, pink feet, New Era logo, pink, bird doodle on the back, plus the Staples logo is also in that pink, all black fitted. I really like this one. Or like I tell y'all, almost every hat of style, Hat Club is where it's at, man. This one right here is called the X2 Tone. Pink and black look. So the gold, not in a sneaker, we get that. But this pink is the pink in the swoosh, guys. So just go to Hat Club, type in pink. Many hats will pop up. Some may be matching a little better than this one. But if we just talking pink and Valentine's Day, I like this Astros hat. I like this match too, the Travis Scott Astronomical tee. It's just it got so many colors that I didn't really want to tell y'all too much about it because it's too much colors. But the stargazing quote right here, that pink definitely matches. Yes, sir. So this has been a How to Style on the Nike Dunk Low Valentine's Day 2023 joints. After looking at different pictures, I think I like the 2022s better. But the 2022s was more just a female shoe. I couldn't really see how a man could rock that. Again, these didn't come out yet, so this is an early How to Style. I tried to wait a little closer to release date, but go out there, man, and get your outfits early, right? Valentine's Day is in 2 weeks, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.